Computer science videos here today to show you guys in the tutorial how to upload a 4K video to the X platform, formerly known as Twitter, using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in the tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for X, as well as a video that was exported in 4K or recorded in 4K. We can start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go around to the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, now let's go to twitter.com, which now points to x.com. We have a shortcut on the bookmarks menu. Click on X. That will take us directly to the platform. Now let's minimize the web browser for the moment. Now let's go around to the dock, go to Finder, go to my YouTube channel, Computer Science Videos, locate the 4K folder that contains the video that is called This is a 4K Video, exported in 4K resolution. Let's now highlight, Command C to copy, take that to the desktop, Command V to paste. Let's now quit Finder. Now let's go around to the dock, go back to the web browser, Safari, let's click on Post to open up a new prompt window that will allow us to post a video on X. Let's now go to Media. Let's now select the video on the desktop, highlight, click on Upload. We then receive a message that says it will take a while to upload long videos. Make sure to keep your browser tab open to avoid any upload interruptions. And so we now see that the video, this is a 4K video, has been uploaded, 100% complete. The only thing left now to do is to add a caption to the video. Let's just say this is a 4K video. For Computer Science Videos. We are now ready to click on Post. Let's now Command and R to refresh the page. Let's now scroll to the bottom. And there we have that video that was posted to our account on X in 4K on screen. We can now quit Safari. After that's over this video, I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.